this is Bob from Hobby Concepts, and today I have a quick little video on adding lights to your King hauler. Number one question I get, how do I turn lights on and off from my radio? I want to add some extra lights. I'm going to show you a simple way to do it. It's a quick little video, but let's get started. Alright, for my demonstration here, I've got one of my, this is a FlySky Turnigy radio. These are the ones that I modify or have videos on how to modify. So I'll turn the transmitter on. And what I want to be able to do is turn this LED on and off using the radio. For example, this might be dash lights or interior lights or maybe some lights around the bottom, whatever. So what I've done is I've soldered a resistor to the LED and soldered a plug on it. So I've got a receiver here. That's the receiver for this radio, and I have a servo plugged into it just for testing purposes. So I'm going to plug in power to it. It happens to be a 4-cell battery, and now of course my servo works. Now the way receivers work is the negative, it's on the outside here, and these are all bussed together, and then the middle one is positive, and those are all bussed together. So if I plug this light in, it will turn on. And the reason it turns on, of course, is there's power to this receiver all the time. But the trick is we want to be able to turn these lights on and off. So what I've got is this electronic switch, and I'll put a link in the description. And this electronic switch plugs into the receiver. I'm going to plug it in channel 6 because this radio, I've assigned this switch to channel 6, and I'll plug my LED into this, and now you can see it's not working, but if I flip the switch I now have lights on and off. You can put several lights together. You just need a resistor for each light. So if you wanted to put 4 or 5 lights on the bottom of your truck, you can do that. You can turn them on and off easily. This little electronic switch is very simple. You don't need any extra batteries or power other than what's normally supplied to your receiver, and that's how you do it. Alright, thanks for watching.